Magnetic pulse activated.
Whoa.
Connection established.
Woo!
Magnets bonded.
I said, come out!
Nailed it.
That's my inspiration. A little piece of equipment we used to use back in the day. I'll demonstrate, man. Just, you might want to back up a little bit, in case I still got it, you know?
This far enough?
Yeah, like a foot further.
Fucker.
Thank you. Thank you. Do you really want to do that?
Now, would you rather push your opponent or finish your opponent?
Where are they? Can you see them? On the ridge to the left of the gate! Alright, light me up! Come on! Hurry up, come on!
Ground 0 to Eagle 1 and 2. Target approaching kill zone.
Windage.
Full force crosswind 15 knots standard.
Get started.
Wow, I just got a big headache. Wow. Yeah.
Anyway, the sooner you get back to work, the sooner you'll be partnerized. I taste shit. You do?
Stacy, did you put shit in my lunch? Oh. You see, what is
hilarious to some could be offensive to others. Let me try to give you a real-life example. Like the day I said,
You want a promotion? Break out the lotion. I was technically engaged in sexual harassment. Hilarious sexual harassment, if you ask me.
Just gotta rip off their carrots.
Interesting. My turn!
Oh my god.
Hey, buddy, you okay? You just slapped the shit out of me. Yeah, that was so embarrassing. Let me make it easier for you. Come on.